Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Today we have a packed agenda, from the rise of new crypto ETFs to the latest market movements and policy shifts. We'll explore the US SEC's review of various crypto ETFs, Bitcoin's recent price action, and the strategic moves by companies and governments alike. Hold on tight, because April 2nd is shaping up to be a monumental day for crypto. Now let's get into the details. The SEC is currently reviewing applications for new crypto ETFs, with Dogecoin, XRP, and Solana leading the charge. If approved, these could attract billions in investment. Decisions are expected in the coming months, with analysts anticipating significant inflows. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's weekend price rally created a CME gap, suggesting a potential pullback to the 84,000 to 85,000 range. On the corporate front, Metaplanet bolstered its Bitcoin holdings to 3,350 BTC, following Eric Trump's appointment to their advisory board. Their BTC yield has surged impressively since the start of the year. Meanwhile, Strategy added nearly 7,000 Bitcoin to its reserves, underscoring a broader trend of companies embracing Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Turning to the markets, Bitcoin's price has seen a 2% rise, hitting $87,800, with increased volatility expected. XRP and Solana are also experiencing gains. However, Ether's supply on centralized exchanges has dropped to a 9-year low, which might lead to decreased availability and potential price hikes. In policy news, President Trump is set to announce new tariffs on April 2nd, a day dubbed Liberation Day, which could send shockwaves through the market. Analysts are on high alert, likening the day to election night. In a related move, the Trump administration is adopting a more targeted tariff strategy, easing economic jitters and boosting Bitcoin's price. The meme coin scene is buzzing, with the Trump token gaining 12% after an endorsement from the president himself. However, given its volatile past, the market remains cautious. Solana has become a hotspot for meme coin schemes, with high-profile figures driving its growth, but leaving retail investors at risk. In global developments, Japan's Open House Group is accepting cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Solana, and XRP for real estate transactions, a move reflecting Japan's friendlier regulatory climate. Meanwhile, Pakistan is advancing plans for energy-efficient Bitcoin mining, aiming to turn liabilities into assets. Finally, in the gaming sector, The Sandbox is launching a Jurassic World experience, while new platforms like Not Games are expanding the crypto gaming horizon. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready,